How to fix WhatsApp app not downloading voice messages. So in order to hear anyone sending you voice messages, first of all the voice should be downloaded, right? So the first thing that you can try if you face the issue is make sure you have an stable internet connection. So if your internet is not strong, then it may take some time to download the voice message. After that, what you can do is tap on this after some time, tap on I icon. It will lead you to setting, and I stand for app info. Now scroll down a bit, tap on stories and tap on clear cache and tap on clear data and tap on delete. After that, head back and make sure you have all the permission on allowed. Tap on permission section. Now all your microphone and music and audio, all this section are turned on. After that, close the app and try reopening the app and replaying the audio. This should fix your problem. Thank you for watching this video.